Plus 2 class, good morning. Our next chapter is sexual reproduction in flowering plant. Sexual reproduction. First we talk about flower. Flower is the modified shoot. Shoot get modified to form flower under the influence of hormones and particular photoperiod. Hormone and photoperiod. By this, the normal shoot that get modified into flower, or we can say foliar bud. Foliar bud that get modified into floral bud. The part of stem that is enlarged, and this is called thalamus or receptacle. This is the part which bear the various floral parts, thalamus or receptacle. If we talk about the first whorl of flower, that is called calyx. Calyx is made up of sepals. Sepals are generally green in color and they protect the flower when the flower is in the form of bud, floral bud. Due to green color, they also synthesize the food material. Then this is the first whorl. This is indicated here. These are sepal. Then next whorl is corolla. That is made up of petals. Mostly these are colorful. These are colored. This is the next one. They are colorful. Why they are colorful? To attract the biotic agent which help in pollination. These are called petals. And they collectively called corolla. Then next is, third part is androecium. Androecium, this one. Androecium is the male reproductive organ. It consists of these anther. This is anther and this is filament, and these collectively called stamen. And next part is female reproductive part, that is called gynoecium. Gynoecium consists of this swollen portion that is called ovary, this long style, and this is stigma. Third part is androecium and fourth part is gynoecium. This is the structure of a typical flower, and flower stalk is called pedicel. If the pedicel is present, that is the flower stalk, then we call it pedicellate flower. If this stalk is absent, then flower is called sessile flower. Flower is the modified shoot in which foliar bud get modified into floral bud. Then first two whorl, calyx and corolla, these are non-essential whorl of the flower. Why these are non-essential? Because they don't participate in reproduction. Next two whorls, androecium and gynoecium, these are called essential whorls. Androecium, it is a male reproductive part. It is made up of anther and filament. Anther are present at the distal part and filament is present at the proximal part. Then collectively these are called stamen. Gynoecium is made up of its individual part or its unit is stamen. Individual part or the unit of gynoecium is carpel or pistil. This carpel or pistil, it is having the three parts. Upper one is stigma, that is the landing platform for pollen grain. This long tube-like structure is style and lowermost portion is ovary. Then next is structure of androecium.